Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today we're checking out the MuFx BoosTron 3. This pedal is a combination of a couple of really iconic pedals as well as an aftermarket product that Alembic made, and that is the blaster on here. It was originally called the Strata Blaster when Alembic made it. It's essentially just a clean boost. You can turn it off and on by a little switch right here to bypass. It just has the boost, has brightness as well, so you can add some really crazy, super bright tones to it. The squeezer is based off of the Dan Armstrong Orange Squeeze pedal. It's a compressor, you've got juice, and you've got your output. It just is telling you how much compression is going on. Finally, the slacker is actually based off of the original Rat distortion. It is one of the filthiest distortions out there, and what you can get out of it is amazing. Not only does it have the gain and level, but you can boost, cut, or keep your bass flat. And you also have different modes of distortion. So we're going to check everything out. The last thing I want to mention is on here it also has an effects send and return, so it has its own effects loop, which is amazing. The guitar I'm going to be using today is a 1980 Gibson RD Artist. These guitars are highly sought after. They have a lot of features that can get you a ton of different tones. They had a preamp system built by Moog, so you already know that it's going to be amazing. We're going to start out clean here, and I'll click it on the distortion channel, which is what I'm going to check out first. I've got the gain at 4, I've got the level at 4, and it's on the distortion mode. And I'm going to start it out clean and then kick it in. So here we go. Alright, I'm going to play a little bit of just clean guitar here, and I'm going to have Scott, my helper, adjust the brightness on here so you can hear the sweep that it has. Alright, now I'm just going to turn the squeezer off and on. You can hear how much more full the notes are when that's turned on as in comparison with when it's not on. What do I like about the MuFx BoosTron 3? Well, pretty much everything. The fact that it has the effects send and return, you can really put the compressor to a lot of good use. The clean boost is awesome, and that brightness knob really serves a lot of purposes. But more than anything, the distortion is filthy. It is some of the heaviest, most awesome distortion I've heard in a long time. The fact that it has the bass boost, cut, and flat is amazing, and then all the different distortion modes. It's a must-have for the pedal board. So if you don't have it, you should. That's all I have to say about that.